Forget what you know about Kent's seaside towns. This town has an incredible transformation and is now one of the coolest, most vibrant spots on the coast. It's full of art, history and infectious energy. Here are 10 reasons why it should be your next getaway. First, the Harbour Arm. This restored Edwardian pier is the town's social hub, packed with pop-up street food vendors and buzzing with energy. Walk to the end for a drink at the Lighthouse Champagne Bar and enjoy panoramic sea views, where you might even spot the coast of France. Next, explore the creative quarter. Its steep, cobbled old high street is filled with independent art galleries, studios and quirky boutiques instead of big chain stores. The colourful, vibrant buildings make simply walking around a total joy. Nearby is the historic old town, home to the free Folkestone Museum, which covers local histories from fossils to the town's role in the wartime. It gives great context for the modern town you see today, and is also where you can spot a famous piece of art by Banksy. Folkestone has fantastic beaches. Sunny Sands is a perfect golden beach for families with a 5-star rated water quality. Also along the boardwalk are more pebble beaches including Mermaid Beach. The entire town is a massive open art gallery. Folkestone Artworks is the UK's largest urban outdoor exhibition. You'll find world-class art in the most surprising places. I took the train to Folkestone, leaving London St Pancras International. Once I got to Folkestone Central, it took about 15 minutes to walk down to the seafront. Closed earlier this century, the harbour station has now been fully restored to its former glory. Visit the old platforms, walk where the track used to be, beautiful planting, statues, and don't forget the old signal box, which is now a cafe. For a green escape, visit the award-winning Lower Lees Coastal Park. Tucked between the sea and the cliffs, this oasis has quiet manicured gardens, wilder natural zones and an adventure playground. For a scenic route to the sea, take the historic zigzag path, a beautifully restored walkway that winds down the cliffside. For an authentic vibe, visit the working harbour. Watch the colourful fishing boats bring in their daily catch, a real connection to the town's heritage. It's the best place to get fish and chips while soaking in the traditional atmosphere. Right next to the restored station is the Goodsyard, a former railway space that has been transformed into a bustling hub of street food, drinks and markets. It has a feel of a permanent festival with cool, industrial chic vibe and global cuisine. Finally, the beach boardwalk makes the coast accessible to all. This wide, smooth path connects the harbour, beaches and coastal park, meaning families with pushchairs and wheelchair users can comfortably enjoy a stroll right by the water. So there you have it. Folkestone is a town bursting with creativity, culture and energy. From the amazing food on the harbour to the world-class art on its streets, the town has reinvented itself into the perfect gateway for everyone. I was blown away and I'm sure you will be too. So have you been to Folkestone? Let us know your favourite spot in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching.